Hello friends, today I am going to show you the live demo of newly updated Finvasia Scalper. First of all, close of 0. Close of 0 greater than or equal to, let's say the level 17,599. Okay, if the close of 0, if the Nifty future goes above 17,599, I want to place order 17,650 PE. Okay. So here we can see the position tab and profit is already running, and I want to edit the stop loss to 5 points. Okay, stop loss is now 5 points. Okay, if the target of 10 points is reached, the trial will be started. The trial points is only 1 point. Okay, target is reached and trial is started. Okay, order is exited. Next, let us see each option in detail. Select the index we're gonna work on, then expiry and time frame. Okay, click the option chain, view the option. Okay, 16 strikes are displayed, and click the start algos to start. Okay, now the algo is started. Next, let's see how to place orders. First of all, select the time, select the strike. Okay, I selected 16,800 CE and click buy CE to place buy order. The quantity is 50 is quantity we mentioned. Okay, next we can do 50 quantities. If you want 250, just click 250 and click the buy CE. So okay, order is rejected and we can see 250 here. Next, if you want to place order on limit order, then click this option so the order is placed on limit order. Okay, 161.30, 150, 165. 165. Okay, and instead of this price we can also place points here. So if you chose 5 here, then this 5 is added to the current LTP. That means 161.3 is the current LTP, so limit order is placed on 166.30. Okay, here you can see. Okay, here we have to select these two things. This is to confirm the order is limit, and this is to confirm the limit order is on the basis of points. Okay, and next, if you want to place 10,000 quantities, also you can place order. The order is divided into okay, 1800. The order is split out here. Okay, and next we can use strategies to place order. That means if you click here and click close of 0, that means close of the particular index greater than or equal to EM of 10D, then place order means, and these click these things and add scan. So close of 0 is already above the EMA. Okay, the order is placed and it's rejected, and we can add one more condition like and close of 0 greater than or equal to EMI of 40. Okay, sorry, let's say 50. Okay, add. Okay, all strategies added. Okay, this is 100 quantity strategies. Okay, we can add any number of strategies here. If you want to delete particular strategies, then click and okay. Okay, clear up, all are cleared. Next, if you just want the strategy for close, if you just use close of index and close price of particular strike, then you don't have to use this option. Just use the below option like CLTP means LTP, that means closing price, current LTP of the particular strike, that means 17,800. If it's less than or equal, if you want to place the order, if it's less than or equal to 161 or then please add. Okay, it's already equal to the same price, so order is placed and it's rejected by the system. And if you use this to place on the strategies added, if you want to place multiple orders on multiple strike prices, then 155. This helps to averaging the position. Okay, we have added 3 strategies here. Okay, I hope you all understood this of these things. Then it's how to place sell order. Here, if you select this option, you can choose sell order. Okay, here if you sell order is placed. Okay, here you can say sell order. Okay, order is rejected too. Next, if you don't use these strategies, then please uncheck this option history, so that system will be a little more speed. Next, if you want to place at the money, means if you click at the money C, then order is placed on at the money strike of 17,800. Okay, in the money C, automatically placed order on in the money. Here, if you choose, we have to choose number of strikes away from at the money. That means if you chose 5 points here, then number of means at the money is 17,800, so order is placed at 17,550. 5 strike away from at the money strike. Okay, similar way OTMC also working like that. That means 5 strike away from, that means 5 strikes are added to the at the money strike. Similar way at the money P, in the money P, all are working like that. Okay, so next let's see SL. Here 10 points SL is applied to the particular strike only. So if the particular strike goes below 10 points, the order is exited. Similar way target also, particular strike goes above 10 points, order is exited. But if you chose trial, then after target is reached, trial is starting. Let's see how the trial works. Means if the trial is 1 point, then let's see our average price is 161. Okay, so if 171 is reached, the trial starts. So if 171 is reached, the stop loss is shifted to 170 rupees. So after that, this trial points will follow the LTP. Okay, next this SLM. this helps to exit the stop loss on limit order. So if you click this, then when that stop loss is triggered, the limit order is placed, and the number of limit points is we need to enter here. So these points are subtracted from the current LTP. Okay. Similar way, this option helps to place exit order on limit order. Okay. So when the target is triggered, a limit order is placed by subtracting these points from the LTP. Okay. So I hope you all understood so far. Next, let's see other option like SL. Instead of SL on strike itself, we can select the SL on index SL. So if we choose this option, then we need to enter the index points here, 17,813. Already this will automatically 20 points below the current LTP of Nifty. Similar way, if you want target on index, click this. Okay, 17,853. So if you want, you can change this to any other values. Next, if you choose part target, this helps to keep multiple target on our particular position. Okay, if you choose part target, here enter the quantities and enter the 10 points. Then if 10 points of target is reached, 50 quantities are exited. Okay, if you choose index as the target, then click this option and index value 17,850. So if 17,850 is reached, 50 quantities are exited. Then after that, the system search for the next target of this. If we chose index target, then next 17,870. So next, if 17,870 is reached, next target is reached, and after that trial is started. Okay. Instead of index target, if we chose this target and the point is 20, then the next target is searching for the target of 20 points from the average price. So if 20 points is reached, then trial started. Okay. If you unchecked this option, then after the next target of 20 points is reached, this order is automatically exited. Okay. If you have any doubt in this option, then please let me know in comments. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Next, the position tab. Okay, here you can see the overall position of current open strike. Okay, this will display only current open position only. Okay, if you want to edit the stop loss or target of particular strike, just click the particular option, particular name of the strike, and we can see a window pop up here, and you can edit the stop loss and target there. Okay, next, if you want the stop loss and target for all position, then click this overall risk reward. Okay, so if you chose this, then if you have 5 position, then these settings helps to exit all the 5 position on the basis of the SL and target we set here. Okay, this lower SL means 17,833 is the current LTP. Okay, if you want to exit the position if the Nifty reaches 17,800, then select this option and 17,800 is enter here and save. Okay, So if the target of if the Nifty goes below 17,800, if we have 5 position, all 5 position are exited. Okay, similar way, if the upper SL also works like that, if the Nifty goes above particular level 850, let's say the 17,850, then Nifty crosses above 17,850, all 5 position are exited. Similar way, loss amount, we can enter the amount we afford to lose, means 1000, and profit amount 20,000. All 5 positions are exited. Remember, we have to click save to these settings to effect. Okay, here also we have limit option. If you exit on exit limit, okay, if you choose this and enter points, then exit order is placed on 5 points away from current LTP. Okay, I hope you all understood this demo. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. If you want the software, WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you for watching.